30 amazing facts about Sweden. 1. Sweden has a population of approximately 10.4 million people, with about 25% of them living in the capital city, Stockholm. 2. The Swedish monarchy is one of the oldest in the world, dating back to the 10th century. 3. Sweden is the third largest country in the European Union by land area, after France and Spain. 4. The country has 221,800 islands, the most of any nation on Earth. 5. Sweden is the largest exporter of iron ore in the EU, and the second largest exporter of paper and wood products. 6. The Swedish language has 18 vowels, making it one of the most complex languages to learn. 7. The famous Swedish meatballs are actually Turkish in origin. 8. Sweden has the highest number of McDonald's restaurants per capita in Europe. 9. Sweden is one of the top countries in the world for gender equality, with a long history of promoting women's rights. 10. The country has one of the highest life expectancies in the world, with an average lifespan of 83 years. 11. The Swedish flag is the oldest national flag still in use, having been adopted in 1521. 12. The first ever Nobel Prize was awarded in Stockholm in 1901, and the Nobel Prizes are still awarded there every year. 13. The country has one of the highest rates of organ donation in the world. 14. Sweden is home to the world's largest spherical building, the Ericsson Globe. 15. The official Twitter account of Sweden is run by a different citizen each week. 16. The world's first ice hotel was built in Sweden in 1989, and is still in operation today. 17. Sweden is one of the largest exporters of pop music in the world, with famous artists like ABBA and Ace of Base hailing from the country. 18. The world's largest shopping mall, the Mall of Scandinavia, is located in Stockholm. 19. Sweden is one of the few countries in the world where you can camp anywhere you like, as long as you do not disturb the landowner. 20. The country is home to the world's largest producer of ball bearings, SKF. 21. The Swedish town of Malmö is home to the world's first public park to be lit solely by biogas. 22. The Swedish government has set a goal to be fossil fuel free by 2040. 23. The country's national animal is the moose. 24. The Swedish tradition of Fika, a coffee break with sweet treats, is an important part of the country's culture. 25. The Swedish Navy has a submarine that is made entirely out of glass. 26. Sweden is the birthplace of the world-famous video game Minecraft. 27. Sweden has a high-speed train that travels at a top speed of 200 miles per hour. 28. The Swedish town of Kiruna is moving 3 kilometers east because the ground underneath it is sinking due to mining. 29. The country has one of the highest rates of English proficiency in the world, with almost 90% of the population speaking English. 30. Sweden has a tradition of celebrating the summer solstice with a festival called Midsummer, where people dance around a maypole and eat pickled herring. Thanks for watching.